Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Right next to me we have a beautiful 2004 Ford Lightning, one owner, full bolt-ons, extremely clean, and a recent repaint that cost over $7,000. If you want to find out full information on this ride or any of our SVT inventory, click on the link below and we'll get you all signed up. I'm going to give it an overall rating. I'd say this is definitely a 9 out of 10. Shows extremely well, 54,000 miles, and it has full bolt-ons. Like, this is exactly what we had in regards to the silver truck we just sold. Another clean one. So let's do a full walk around and a test drive. This does have a billet front grille, and I do have a lot of the factory parts. So I have the original fan shrouds, the manifolds, the list goes on. Paint, very lustrous. There's no dents or dings. I do have a bind. So the reason I bought this truck is the binder. The binder is this thick, every single receipt, every single maintenance record, and you're gonna see that in our gallery. If you click on the link below, you'll be able to see it. The interior is the same as the exterior, super clean. All the seats are in extremely nice condition. Steering wheel's in nice shape, and all the buttons look good. The seats are extremely nice, and then you do have a pillar gauge pod. The boost gauge works, the fuel gauge is just there for looks, it looks like. It doesn't read anything. Interior super clean, headliner's nice, there's no funny smells. Dash is nice, there is a small imperfection on that dash. You're gonna see a small hairline crack on the top half of it. All the door cards are very nice, all the rubbers are very nice. When you look at the door panels, the chrome usually on these will start to peel. Perfect condition. Underneath it is extremely clean too, so if you look at the gallery again, you're gonna see how clean it is. It does have a tonneau cover and does have a billet gas cap. Wheels and tires are in excellent condition. Tires have around 60% tread, and it is the chrome SVT 5-spoke. Taillights are still original, so the Altezza style. And as I said, the paint looks extremely nice, just dust on here from all the construction around us. This opens up nicely and you can see all the original pieces. So it does have electronic fans, intake, and then they replaced all the coolant bottles, these ugly plastic bottles, with a nice aluminum and powder coated finish. You can see your original manifolds here. Everything was done right. It does have a full car cover as well, and this bed cover is carpeted. When I say 9 out of 10, I mean it. It's not something that you're gonna come and see and be like, oh my gosh, you took advantage of me. We sell 99% of our cars sight unseen, and there's a reason we have 100% positive feedback. We can help with shipping worldwide, and if you want to get this financed, we can help you with that too. Fiberglass bed looks really nice, and you can see the tires right there. It does have Bassani exhaust out the side. The tips are a little bit further out. They should be a little bit more flush, but that's how they were mounted. Let me open up the door for you for the passenger side, and then we'll go to the hood. I just popped the hood, and we're gonna open up the passenger side door. Same as the driver's side, you can see that the chrome is not split, and all the door cards are very nice. Carpet is nice as well, it does have the lightning mats. And as I said, I have full documentation. Let me show you the good stuff. So it does have a valve body upgrade in the transmission, and that makes this thing real fun to drive. You do have a Stigmeister Stage 4 ported blower with documentation. You have an upgraded throttle body. Still has stock injectors, MSD coils. All the hoses are extremely clean. Your belts are nice. This thing is fully serviced. You buy it, you drive it, don't worry about it. You can see that there's no rust, there's no residue. It does have a carbon fiber front end attachment here, so this is normally plastic. Hood is very nice. Brand new battery. This is one of the clean ones. When we ask a premium price, there's a reason for it. You buy this, you don't have to do anything. All the suspension is done. It's turnkey. Air conditioning's cold. I'm gonna start it up right now. There's Paul, he's our curator. Takes care of all the inventory. Hey, everybody. All right, we're gonna start it up. We are, I'm so sorry, 46,000 miles. That's even better. Sounds really good. Get over there. Nice and mellow. Let's go for a ride. Let us go on a journey. So this has a 6-pound lower pulley, stock injectors, MSD coils, intake, full exhaust, and a tune. Interior is super clean, as I said before, only a small crack on that dash panel. All the windows are tinted. And then you've got your aftermarket boost gauge here. I'm going to break down everything in the gallery in regards to what we have done to this, or what has been done to this truck. We're going to turn left here. We're going to do the back route so we can get to that dead end where there's no traffic. So the transmission does have a valve body, and you can feel it when it shifts. It's firm. Feels really good, no exhaust leaks. Air conditioning's cold, it's blowing right now. Suspension feels great. It's not loose, 46,000 miles, one owner. Radio works great. Has a 6 CD changer from the era. So this is the last year of production for the SVT Lightning. Now they're coming out with this stupid electric one. Please don't buy it. Stick with supercharged goodness, 5.4 liter supercharged goodness. And don't worry, this one won't shoot spark plugs out because it's not a 99 or 2000. So we'll test it out here. Turn in left. Once we get it past this bump, I'll give it gas so you can hear it. Are you ready? How cool is that? When it's shifted in a second, you go sideways. Oh, I love it. What a great truck. We're gonna turn left here on our closed course so we can get some outside shots. If you have any questions about this specific Lightning or any of the other Lightnings we have in stock, give us a call at 954-363-2261. We'll be able to assist you. Enjoyed that test drive. If you have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. We do this so that you guys don't have any issues in the future. I mean, yes, yeah, just buy the car.